excited to share with you today this cute, goofy little Pom Pom Christmas tree. I have been on a serious pom pom kick lately, and I can't stop making stuff. So I just put together this little tree. This is what I've been making lately, which is kind of a ridiculous looking rainbow yarn Christmas tree, and I love them, and I hope that you guys do too. Hopefully it's not too weird and goofy for you. But all it is 4 different sized pom-poms stacked on top of each other. They're tied together so that they're all secured together. On the bottom here is an extra large one, and there's large, medium, and small. I have templates available for you guys to download that will get you these same sizes. So when you download the templates, you'll download them onto regular paper and then cut them out and trace them onto cardboard. And I've got them all here, but all you do is trace it onto a piece of cardboard. This is the extra large one. You trace 2 copies, and this is just an old shoebox. So any kind of cardboard is going to work just fine for you. I shared a video a couple days ago that showed you how to make some pom-pom Christmas ornaments, and in that video, I showed you how to make the pom-poms. So I'll link that video below. And in this one, I'm just going to show you with pom-poms I've already made how to tie them all together because it's pretty easy. So let's get all this out of the way. Whoopsie. So here's our different sizes. This is the extra large, large, medium, and small. I don't know, maybe we'll try and put a tiny bead on top. We'll see how it goes. And then I've been using my son's crazy straw to thread these together, and I'll show you how I've been doing that. Okay guys, I've got my pom-poms laid out, ready to connect together, and I'm gonna show you how I get them all tied together. As you can see, when I made them, I left the yarn from where they're tied together. I just left that super long. Oops, this one I tied together. I need to snip that. So I left it super long, and then that's going to make it a lot easier to, well, I'm going to use this long yarn to tie them together. So what you want to do, I'm going to use these long strings to tie these 2 together, and this is my base, and then this is the next one up. And what you'll need to do is find where that string is tied around the center holding your pom-pom together. So this color is dark, so I wonder if you guys can see. But right here is the middle of the pom-pom, and that string that's holding all the pieces of yarn for the pom-pom together. So once you find that, this is where I use my son's crazy straw, which if you don't have a crazy straw, I'm sure you can use like a pencil or something instead. This is just what I had on hand. I've been taking the yarn and like wrapping it over the edge of the straw, like this. So it's right around and the straw is in the middle. And then using that to like dig down into the pom-pom and put this pink string under that center piece of yarn on the pom-pom that's holding it all together. So might take me a couple tries here, guys. There we go. Okay. So you can probably see this. I've got the straw pushing the string under there. And then just need to pull the string through, or pull the yarn through once I can get it. Okay, there we go. Oh, look at that. I'm making a pretty big mess of it, but I know I can get it through. What you want to do is pull it through all the way. Here, those are the ones I was missing, I think. Here we go. You want to pull it through all the way. So then you can tie them together. So now all I'm gonna do, I've got these two just connected by that string. I'm gonna try and pull it kind of tight. If you pull it too tight, it gets really like squished down and that doesn't look quite as cute. So I'm leaving like a gap a little bit in there. And then I'm gonna take the other long string and I'm just gonna tie those two in a knot. When you're tying your knot, just try not to get all the little pom-pom pieces stuck in there. All right, so now we've got the bottom two, and then we'll just keep going and attach the next couple right on top. You can see there's a little base of our Christmas tree. Okay. Alright, so now we've got a goofy little Christmas tree. And then I think I am going to try and put a little bead on top. I still have these long strings on the other one, so I'm going to go ahead and thread those onto the bead and then tie it off. I think that's going to look cute. I'm going to use a straw to put them on, just like I did in the video with the Christmas ornaments. It's super easy to do. This thread is pretty thin, so I'm actually going to cut this straw. This thread is pretty thin, so that actually makes it really easy to thread through the bead. What I'm going to do is put it through the straw, and that makes it even easier to put right through the wooden bead. All right. Unless I grab the bead that the straw doesn't fit in. In that case, you can just fold this straw in half, perhaps. There we go. There we go. You just kind of fold the straw in half and then it should fit right through there. There we go. I need to take the straw off. Okay, I'll tie a little. I'll tie a little knot on the top. Probably a few knots to keep that bead on. Okay. Trim those up. This is a floppy one. All right, so I think I didn't quite tie it tight enough, this blue one. Got some yarn stuck in there. So what I need to do is go back and tie this a little bit tighter. All right. There we go. All right, once you get them all, oh, geez Louise, you guys can't even see that. Okay, let's see if we can adjust the angle here a little bit. All right. So once you get everything all tied together, you can trim up your strings just so that they're the same length as the rest of the pom-pom strings. There you have it. A super simple, super cute, a little bit goofy, kind of floppy pom-pom Christmas tree. If you want the templates to download so you can get the exact sizes of the pom-poms that I used, you can get them at mamaneedsaproject.com, and I will leave a link right below this video that has all the pom-pom sizes, or that has a link to the template with all the pom-pom sizes. And then if you decide to make some of these goofy little trees, I would really, really love to see them. You can find me on social media at Mama Needs a Project. I'm on Instagram, and I've got a Facebook page, and I would love it if you shared them with me in any of those places. And then, my dear friends, that is all for now. Bye-bye.